Okay, here we go. Another project. Early in the morning too. I ain't even going to show you me. I didn't even comb my hair. This toilet, when we went on our last, my fault I think, but on our last little outing, we had it hooked up to water pressure, and the water pressure was extremely high. I didn't realize that, or I had to put on my, in which I will always run the pressure valve on my hose from now on. But it pushed water right past the valve and into the toilet and just filled it all the way up. Now you can't have that. You can't have that doing that. So we're going to go down here. We're going to change this little valve. Let's see if I can get a picture of it down here for you. Yeah, there's a valve right there. I don't know if you can see it or not. It's right here. I don't know if that camera's showing it or not. Let me see if I can whip the camera around and show you. Okay. There we go. It may be upside down, but this valve here has got to be replaced. Right in there. Now, this is your fresh water right here on the black part. That's your fresh water coming in. I got to unhook that. Then we pull this valve out right here. Oh, where are we? There we go. Pull this out, then I got to take that piece off right there. Then the little valve comes out. I ain't going to be able to film that. That's for damn sure. Because there just ain't no room in this toilet area for anything. Matter of fact, that's how I seen what it was, is to look in here like this with the camera, because I can't see it. It's all going to be by feel. But I'm going to unhook the water, which is the blue one right here. We're going to unhook this and see if we can spray it on everything. Shouldn't have any water in it because I turned it off. But we'll put some paper towels down here to make Vicky happy, just in case. Now then, we're just going to take that one off, like so. And that's coming off nicely. And there's the water. Hey, what do you know? There was water in there. Good thing I put that there. Oh, and it's headed towards the camera. No, we got to sop that up. But that's how that comes off. That's it for now. Well, I'd like to say that was easy, but it was not. But there's your device right there. There's your valve. That'd be what's leaking. An O-ring, I'm sure, is bad in there. This may be upside down because I'm upside down. Now I got to clip this off so I can I'll put another, just a hose clamp on that because I don't have a crimper. We'll get one of these ordered and put her back together, and that should solve the problem. But pushing these little clips down is easier said than done. Of course, this is pretty old. Maybe the new one will be a little, well, easy to go in. So, I'm going to cut that off, and I'll show you what this looks like when I get it out of here. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is what it looks like out, guys. Once I got that clip off, that slid right off. I don't know what the model number is on it, but there's plenty of them on the old Amazon and internet. So I'll be able to compare it. And I don't even know how the dang thing works. But I know it ain't working. It's letting water seep through. We don't want that. Now there's a screw that holds that in. Now the screw, and some of them are down here. You can see the little hole there, and some of them are up there. This one here was up at the top, I believe, on this one. Yeah, no, let's see, it was this way. Yeah, it was in this one up here. And it screws right in there. Now that holds it in. That's important. Don't leave it out. That holds this in so it works properly. There's only one screw in this one. And so just feel around. That's 1/4 inch. And I used this little tool here. It worked really good. You got one of these for your 1/4 inch sockets. That's what I used. That worked great. I did break it loose with that one. Don't know if I'd have needed to. I finally found that one and that just spun it right off. So anyway, now I'm going to order parts for it and wait for them to get here. Let's go check out some new parts. Well, let me tell you a little more about it. I got the part ordered. It was only about 13 bucks off Amazon. It comes with new screws and it comes with a clamp for here. The one I ordered, it was Amazon's best choice. Measured it. This is 4 inches from there to there, 2.5 inches from there to there. Same as the one I ordered. There's no part number on the thing, so I will give you a part number when I get the other one. I'll attach it to the new one when I get it. But when you pull this out, you take that screw out. You got to push these down. That was the hardest part. These things, you got to push them down, and these are really hard. It's hard old plastic. And there's a little notch that it fits in up there. So you got to push that one down and then push this one down at the same time and then pull it out. Sounds easy. But don't forget to do that. Take your screw out and then you got to figure that one out. I'll show you all the tools in the clip or two from here that we used on it. But that's that. The new one's on its way. As you can see, my parts have arrived. This is a kit I got, and here is the number, if you can read that. And I'll try to copy it and put it in the description also. I got this off of Amazon. It looks identical to me. I don't see anything here different. But I did, and this one, I don't know if that's water or oil on that. But anyway, I did notice this. I'll see if you can, this is the new one. And I noticed that there's no Teflon tape on them, so I'm not going to put any on it when I put it back together. But let's see if you can hear this. Now you hear this. Kind of a squeakier noise here. I think that's because it's dried out. But that's going to be real easy to put back on. I'll take the camera out there and take a shot of it. Put it back on. All I got to do is shove that in it. Put this clamp on with this up here on the hose. And we got new screws and everything for it. So that's what we're going to go do right now. Put that back together. See, old one looks in the same shape as the new one, except for inside. That's the difference right there. Got a little screen in there. All right, let's put her together. Well, can't get much simpler than this, guys. You just, put the clamp on it, tighten it down, and then shove it in the hole. Do you need to see that, really? I don't know. I just don't know. I don't know why you would. I mean, that's it. I'll just show. Alrighty. Alright, there you go. I'm going to show you how to do it. You lift that up. I got that in there. I'm just going to shove that in there. And that, how was that? Was that too hard for you? Then we got to put the screw back in here. It goes right there, I think. Yep, right there. So we're going to put the screw back in. Then we tighten this up and we're done. We'll get her checked. Make sure it ain't leaking. Oh, I probably got that upside down. We got no water leakage. It's all put together. Okay, like you can see there. Tighten up. No leakage. Now what I'm going to do is just wait. The problem was it kept filling up the bowl with water. And we're just going to watch that now and make sure she don't fill up. I guess I could try it and see if she works. Let's see. Definitely water going in it. So it works that way. Let's see if she shuts off. Come on. Shut her off. Shut her off. And I think it did. And I've cranked the water pressure back up. I'll show you that right now. But we'll check this later. Okay, we've cranked up. I put on the good water pressure device. Had to move things over a little bit to get it all working. Had it in these two holes. Moved it over there. Now she fits. I can get the hose into it. And I cranked it down to 20 pounds, and it still was leaking. So I put it back up to 40, which is a good water pressure to have in there, and that's what we'll leave it at. But I can always turn it up or down without here. So we're just going to watch this, and we'll leave the water on for a while, and then hopefully we got it fixed. I think we do. What do you think? What do you think, Hank? We got her fixed?